I quit ham radio. I packed it all up, the radios, the coax, the antennas, and walked away. I told myself I was too busy, too tired, too wrapped up in real life. But that wasn't the truth. The truth is, I lost my spark. And if you've ever felt that way about this hobby, I get it. I get it. Believe you me, I get it. Because I've been there. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you stopping by. Got a child hollering in the background. There ain't much that can console him at the moment, but wanted to let you know today's video is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. If you're looking to get your license or maybe upgrade your license, Ham Radio Prep's the way to go. They've got the technician, the general, and the extra class courses, and they're so confident they can help you get your license or upgrade. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details. Go to HamRadioPrep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV. You're going to get 10% off. They're already great prices at checkout. So I got my license back in 2010. I still remember the excitement of hearing my first contact come through the speaker. That little crackle of signals from, across the region here. I then upgraded to general a couple of months later, and it felt like I had the whole world at my fingertips. Every QSO was an adventure. Every antenna experiment was a lesson. I was hooked, completely and totally hooked. Ham radio gave me something I didn't know I was missing: connection, community, and purpose. But life has a way of shifting your priorities. Around 2014, things changed. I was beginning to start building a family, building a career. The long nights calling CQ turned into long nights with a newborn. Weekends once spent with projects became weekends fixing leaky faucets and mowing the yard. I told myself I'd get back into it someday, but someday never came. The radio sat silent, packed up, and even a few sold. The hobby that once lit up my world faded into the background. You don't realize how much something means to you until it's gone. For a few years, I'd barely even thought about ham radio. Not really. But then, every now and then, I heard a storm roll in, and I would think about the Skywarn nets. Or I'd see someone's antenna on the rooftop and feel that tug. That little reminder of something I'd left behind. There's a silence that came when you stop doing something you love. Not the kind of silence you enjoy, the kind that echoes. In 2017, I came back. I don't even remember what flipped that switch. Maybe it was curiosity, maybe it was nostalgia. But I dusted off an old handheld and keyed up a repeater and heard a familiar voice come back. That moment right there, it reminded me why I fell in love with this hobby in the first place. It's not about the equipment. It's not about the contest or the awards. It's about the people, real communication. When the world feels disconnected, ham radio still has a pulse. I learned something in those years away. Ham radio doesn't leave you, you leave it. But it's always there, waiting for you to come back. It doesn't care how long it's been since you made your last contact or how dusty your rig has gotten. Your call sign still means something. That is, unless you let your call sign expire. The airwaves are still open, and there's always someone out there listening, waiting for you to call. Maybe you've been away for a while, or maybe you've gotten burnt out, frustrated with the hobby, or just plain tired of drama. I get it. But don't, because ham radio still matters. It's bigger than all of us. It's about community, service, and connection in a world that's forgotten how to talk. And if you've been thinking about coming back, this is your sign. Get back on the air. Make some noise, because the airwaves are quieter without you. I'm Josh, AA4WX, and this is why I quit ham radio and why I will never walk away again. Guys, I can't thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you being here. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you on the next one. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.